Internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a September Inkoo box unboxing video for you. Looks like it's back to school themed. If you're wondering why I'm whispering, it's because the baby's napping right now and I really don't want to wake them because they're just napping really poorly at the moment. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get this video filmed. But September looks like it is a back to school theme, which makes sense. Northern Hemisphere, back to school, which is usually all about stationery, so I'm very excited for this. So first up is, oh, it's like a headband. This is actually so perfect because since moving to my new home, I didn't bring across any of my old headbands, so I've been just trying to pin my hair up every time I do my makeup or do my skincare. And, you know, it's been frustrating, but I don't know, for some reason I never got around to getting a headband, and now this will work out great. And it's so cute, and it's blue. It's perfect. Next are a bunch of sticker flakes. These are all the different designs that you can get in here. Open it up. Okay, for some reason I thought they might be all holographic because the packaging outside makes it look like it, I don't know, it gives me the vibe that it could be holographic, but I think they're just all paper. I think it'd be cooler if they were holographic, but that's okay. Hopefully you can see in the ring light, it's not like blowing it out too much. Then we have, okay, two things. It's like little pocket inserts for a B7 notebook. I might not open this because I might give this to someone else because I don't really have any B7 ring planners. I don't actually really use, oh, I do, that's a lie. I was about to say I don't use ring planners. I do use a ring planner for the sticker shop, but like for my on day-to-day planning, I don't really use ring planners. I just never really clicked with me. So this is a notebook, and it's got, oh, what is that term when you have all this, the like sequins in a pocket? And there's like this term that they use that you can put sequins in a pocket in like a little plastic bag and you put it in your planner. I have no idea. Shaker something? Shaker? Whatever. Either way, notebook with sequins in the front is really cute notebook. But I don't know, like, okay, I get that it's Sanrio, but it looks counterfeit to some reason. I don't know why Hello Kitty just looks slightly counterfeit, or maybe she's just changed her style. Then we have some highlighters, which I will try at the end of the video. We have, oh cool, an eraser, which is probably sealed. Okay, there we go, unsealed. So we have a really nice eraser, and then at the bottom they have that that wheel that picks up like eraser droppings on the table. Really cute. And then we have, oh, it's a stamp, but it's like for drinks, like different cocktails. I'll try this out with the pens. And then, okay, I was gonna say I don't have a B for planner, but I guess this is the intended planner. It feels like the shape is kind of odd though, like it looks like square. Yeah, it looks like it's a square planner, right? I'm not crazy. Oh, it's really, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's super reflective because it's kind of jewel chromy, very glossy, and I guess that's what these inserts are for. Yep, that's what it's for. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to get much use of this, so I might have to put it aside and see if one of my nieces or nephews might want to use it. But yes, that is everything in September's Inkoo crate. Let's go try out that Stampin' Pens. And I'm going to try out the stamp. Okay, see, the stamp is just one of the drinks. I thought it might be all of these drinks. Oh, here we go. I thought it might be the whole thing, but it's actually just one, so there you go. You do have to press kind of hard. Yeah, you have to press pretty hard if you want to get anything that's pigmented, otherwise you're going to get something pretty light. Now, these are Jewel Tip highlighters, twin pastel color markers, and I think it's like a generic brand. I don't think it's like a particular brand, but they look kind of cool. So this is the blue. Okay, call me crazy, this, I thought it was green, but it's actually coming out like a blue color, and that was a like okay, they're the same, they're all the sharp edges. That's the yellow I kind of like that yellow because it isn't fluorescent. But I'm eating my words because that pink is fluorescent and I don't like it. And then this is blue. Am I crazy? These two are really close. Like I don't think there's like a huge distinction between them. Like I can see a difference. This is more green, more like turquoise, but it's pretty close. Yeah, these highlighters are okay. I mean, honestly, if you have mild liners, these aren't going to really be much competition towards them, so I would probably just stick to the mild liners. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. This is Selena reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.